and welcome to Liberty Lovin Kitchen, where the first ingredient is always love. I'm your host, Barry Patton, and with me again today is my dad, Patrick Patton. And today
Whoa, I'd like to interrupt you for a second. I do want to say that the first ingredient is always love, but in a pinch, it can be substituted 1 for 1 with equal parts of Barrett.
Thank you.
Continue, son.
Today we're going to make one of Dad's favorite recipes.
You like this too, or you?
I do like it, but it's especially your favorite. We're going to make some sausage balls. And all they take is 3 ingredients. So, into our mixer, we are first going to put 3 cups of our Better Than Bisquick baking mix, which you can see how to make in another video on this channel.
Now, if you've made some yourself, it would be their Better Than baking mix.
They would.
Okay.
Next, 3 cups of cheddar cheese.
In this case, we used regular extra sharp, and then we got a portion of it, maybe not quite half, of extra sharp white cheddar in addition to just the regular cheddar.
And because these are sausage balls, now
First, I'm gonna take the cheese and the baking mix and mix those together real quick.
Next, because they're sausage balls, of course we need some sausage. So we have about 1 pound of it.
I happen to have some right here.
Yes, you do.
Swaggerty's hot sausage. And what we'll do here, rather than just drop the whole thing in there, I'll just tear off little pieces and distribute around the bowl. And I'm going to bring the camera up here while I mess up my hands. And what we'll do next, we'll just give this a, turn this on low. And we're just gonna put, like I said, no certain amount, just enough to get everything to incorporate together.
Water.
Yeah, water. Apologies. And you'll see it doesn't take a whole lot. And it happens pretty quick. We'll turn up one more speed. And there we go. You can see everything's pretty equally incorporated. And I probably could have gone just a tad bit lighter on the water, but it makes no difference.
Now all we have to do is scoop them out onto baking sheets and bake them in the oven.
I use a number 62 portioner scoop. I'll just go ahead and get this out and put it in this bowl so you can see the mix better. And one thing that's optional, you can, we'll see, I do. This is a number 60 portioner.
62, I thought you said.
Number 60 portioner. And it is 2 teaspoons is what the volume of this is. And I would not cook these this close, but the way I do it, and you don't have to do this, I like to, I always freeze these, even if just for an hour. And they don't rise up as much. They stay a little more, I don't know, I just like the texture of them better after they've been frozen. And I freeze, I'll usually make quite a few of these at one time and put them in the freezer, eat some, and then just have a bag in the freezer and pull out however many I want, throw them in the oven, and sausage balls whenever I want them. So you can see what we're doing here, and I just kind of use my fingers a little bit, but a lot of people roll these out, and for most of my life I did roll these out. You just take your little piece and roll them out, and you make a nice tight little ball, and some people prefer that, and they're fine. Now that I've gotten used to doing it with the portioner, it's much faster, and because you're not rolling it, it doesn't get quite as dense. This is a little denser than this will be, and again I like the texture of these when eating these better than I do the rolled ones. But either way works. After they're frozen, either frozen solid or frozen, you know, for an hour or so, I will cook these at 375, usually for about 25 minutes. I like mine to have a little bit of crisp on the outside, but you can cook them to however you desire. But I'm going to finish rolling these out here off camera. We will freeze them, and then we'll see you later when we cook them and pull them out of the oven so you can see what they look like. And so we'll see you back here shortly. Before we go though,
don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Leave us a comment down in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video. We'll see y'all soon.
See you shortly. Thanks. Okay, we are back. Barrett is no longer with us, as you might see. He and his brother went out for a little bit, so I'm on my own here, so I'll do the best I can. The sausage balls are cooked, they're ready, and these cooked for about 25 minutes at 375, and they have just a little bit of crisp on them, which is the way I like them. If you don't like them that done, cook them a little less. If you like them done more, cook them a little more. But they stick just a little bit, but not really. You don't have to put anything on, but you just kind of slide a spatula underneath them, and they will come right up. And this is one of my most favorite foods in the world to eat. My mom made these for me when I was a kid, and I love these. She still makes them for me now, and I still make a bunch for myself. So I really enjoy eating sausage balls. I actually typically eat these just as a meal all by themselves. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Anyway, thanks again, and we'll see you next time on Liberty Lovin' Kitchen.